Hello my dear students, get ready for today's science class. Students, we are doing block 11 personal care and cleanliness. And students, as you know, we have completed our 2 lessons in our 2 last online classes. So what we have learned in our online classes? We have learned how to take care of 2 important sense organs, eyes and ears. And today we will learn to keep the nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. So students, here is a question for you. Question number 1 is, what are the ways in which we can clean our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails? So let's discuss the answers. वी शुड क्लीन आर नेल्स रेगुलरली. हमें हमारे नेल्स को हमेशा क्लीन करना चाहिए रेगुलरली. हैव अ रेगुलरली बाथ एंड वॉश आर हिप्स. क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज़ अ पिक्चर फॉर यू. Look at the pictures carefully. Now tell me, what are these people doing? Yes, a boy taking a bath with soap. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बॉय सोप से बाथिंग कर रहा है एंड दिस इज़ गुड. Next one is, a boy is cleaning his tongue. This is good for health, but it would be better if he uses a tongue cleaner. अगर ये tongue cleaner का यूज़ करता तो ये और ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. Next one is, a girl is cleaning her nose by blowing hard into a hanky. But we should use water to gently rinse and clean the nose because this is bad for the nose, as the nose can get hurt if we blow very hard. So ये जो गर्ल है ये बहुत ज़ोर से ब्लो कर रही है हैंकी में, बट ये अच्छा नहीं है हमारी नोज़ के लिए बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है, बिकॉज the nose can get hurt if we blow very hard. So we should use water to gently rinse and clean the nose. I hope you understand that. Now students, tell me, what can we do to keep nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean? So let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. We should clean the nose by rinsing it with water. We should clean the nose by rinsing it with water. तो हमें वाटर से हमेशा नोज़ को क्लीन करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज़, क्लीन द टंग विथ अ टंग क्लीनर व्हेन वी ब्रश आवर टीथ. कट नेल्स रेगुलरली. Wash the hair with shampoo and oil it and keep the hair free of leaves. Leaves मतलब जुएँ, तो हमें हमारे हेयर्स को जुओं से फ्री रखना चाहिए. I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, how often we need to cut nails and hairs? So let's discuss the answers. Nails should be cut once a week. एक वीक में कट करने चाहिए हमें नेल्स को. हेयर्स कट्स आर नीडेड वंस इन एवरी मंथ और सो ऑन. सो हेयर्स कब कट करवाने चाहिए? 1 मंथ में कट करवाने चाहिए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द आंसर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ ओपन योर कंटेंट बुक, लेसन नंबर 3, कीपिंग आवर नोज, टंग, स्किन, हेयर एंड नेल्स क्लीन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. Here are some ways in which we can keep our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. So first one is, clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner after brushing your teeth. Next one is, don't blow too hard to clean your nose. Instead, rinse the nose with water. So water से rinse करना चाहिए, nose को clean करना चाहिए. Next one is, take a proper bath with soap. Next one is, trim your nails regularly with a nail cutter. So nail cutter से हर रोज़ trimming करनी चाहिए, nails की कटाई छटाई करनी चाहिए. Next one is, wash and comb your hair regularly. Keep long hair neatly tied. So हमें हमारे हेयर्स को रेगुलरली वॉश करना चाहिए और कॉम्ब करना चाहिए. एंड जो बिग हेयर्स होते हैं, लॉन्ग हेयर्स जो होते हैं, उनको नीटली टाई करके रखना चाहिए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेसन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल डिस्कस द कीवर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन इज टंग क्लीनर, नेल्स एंड रिंस. सो यू हैव टू राइट दीज कीवर्ड्स इन योर नोटबुक. इट्स टाइम फॉर द वर्कशीट. कीपिंग क्लीन. Look at the pictures, write how these activities help us to stay healthy. So ये पिक्चर में क्या कर रहा है boy? We see a boy taking a bath with soap, and this is good for our health. Next one is in the B picture. A boy is cleaning his tongue. This is good for health, but it would be better if he uses a tongue cleaner. Next one is C. A girl is cleaning her nose by blowing hard into a hanky. This is bad for the nose, as the nose can get hurt if we blow very hard. So we should use water to gently rinse and clean the nose. I hope this question is clear to you all. Next question is, write more ways to keep our nose, tongue, skin, hair and nails clean. Circle the most useful tip. So आपको और भी वेज राइट करने हैं जिनमें हम खुद को हेल्दी रख सकते हैं, क्लीन रख सकते हैं, और जो भी आपको यूज़फुल टिप लगेगी आप उसको सर्कल करोगे. लाइक ए टिप आपको यूज़फुल लगी तो आप ए को सर्कल करोगे. कट नेल्स रेगुलरली. नेक्स्ट यू कैन राइट टेक अ प्रॉपर बाथ विद सोप, क्लीन योर टंग विद अ टंग क्लीनर, don't blow too hard to clean your nose, so clean your nose with water. Wash and comb your hair. So you have to complete this question in this way. Last question is, if you have long hair, how can you take care of it? अगर आपके hair long है तो आप उनकी कैसे care करोगे? So we should wash the hair with shampoo and oil it. Keep the hair free of fleas and keep long hair neatly tied. So I hope worksheet is clear. You have to complete this worksheet. Now students, you have to do practice question number 5. Why do we need to take care of our tongue? हमें हमारी टंग की केयर करने की क्यों ज़रूरत है? Students, germs attack on the tongue very soon after brushing. So we need to take care of our tongue to save our tongue from the germs. And how can we do that? We should clean our tongue with the tongue cleaner after brushing teeth. And also you have to do practice question number 6. How can we take care of our nails and hairs? So we should trim our nails regularly with a nail cutter, and we should cut our nails once in a week. And hairs की हम केयर कैसे कर सकते हैं? Hairs cuts are needed once in every month or so, and we should also wash and comb our hairs regularly. Keep long hair neatly tied. So you have to complete practice question number 5 and 6. Thank you everyone for watching this video.